Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What follows are my personal experiences using the platform in question. Today we're diving into sg.upbit.com. While the URL itself doesn't reveal much, a quick investigation reveals that it's the Singaporean domain for Upbit, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. This suggests a focus on providing trading services for digital assets to users based in Singapore. It's important to note that regional variations of exchanges can often have distinct features, fee structures, and even available cryptocurrencies, compared to their global counterparts. Therefore, even if you're familiar with Upbit in another region, it's crucial to explore the specifics of the Singaporean platform. Navigating to sg.upbit.com likely presents you with the exchange's interface, possibly featuring a login portal for existing users and a registration option for newcomers. It's highly probable you'll find market data displayed prominently, showcasing current cryptocurrency prices, trading volumes, and perhaps recent price fluctuations. You should expect to see a range of functionalities typical for a trading platform, including order books, charting tools, and account management features. Given the regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies, I anticipate that Upbit Singapore adheres to Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) regulations. This means you'll likely encounter a verification process involving the submission of identification documents before gaining full access to trading. While the URL itself is just a starting point, understanding the broader context of Upbit as a cryptocurrency exchange and its localization for Singaporean users offers valuable insights into what you can expect when visiting sg.upbit.com. Remember, it's always prudent to conduct thorough research and exercise caution when engaging with any cryptocurrency platform. Always double-check security measures, user reviews, and regulatory compliance before making any financial decisions.